Hello my beauty queens, let's quickly create this beautiful head wrap. With just one layer of ashoke, you'll be able to achieve it. So look at it, this one layer of ashoke. So I arrange it and I place it on my hair from the back. I just fold it at the back because of the style I want to. So I not do plating with this, I just fold it. Then I bring it forward, measuring 30-70, then I cross it at the front. I use it to cover my hair at the back. I spread it up and I use it to cover my hair. But if you don't want to cover your hair, you just need to tuck it in at the back if you have hair on your head. If you have hair, you just need to twist it and just tuck it in any side. You don't need to spread it to cover your hair. So after that, I come back to the front. I make sure my hair is well covered before I proceed to the other part. So the one measuring 17, I just grab it. I make some plating with it. Just grab it like that, and I make some plating with it. So this tie is very easy to achieve. After I make the plating, I get a rubber band and I use it to secure it at the main door. I just use my rubber band to hold it together at the main door to make it easy. But actually, you also need a rubber band to get it. So after I use my rubber band to hold it down, I use my pin, I spread it and I use my pin to hold it down as well, both sides. I did the same thing on both sides, just like the way you see me do in the video. If you watch this video to the end, you'll be able to achieve it. All you just need to do is just watch the video. If this is your first time of seeing my videos, don't forget to like, share it to your friends, share it to your sisters so that they'll be able to learn this simple trick on this head wrap. It's very easy. When I say it's very easy, I mean it's very easy. With continuous practice, you'll be able to style your head wrap by yourself without stress, without delay. Before you know, it doesn't take time. When you keep practicing it, you become good in it. Say practice make perfect. So after that, I just arrange it, I spread it, then I use my rubber pin to join the two edges together, and that is it. The head wrap is ready. So look at it. You can take it to any occasion you want to go. This one does not need stress. You see, very simple and easy to achieve. So you can take it to anywhere. Yes, when I say any party, any event, you can go with it to any event. It's very easy and simple to achieve. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to follow for more beautiful head wrap tutorial. Share it to your friends, your sisters, so that they'll be able to style their own as well. So I just need to cover my rubber band. So I take my brush and I place it to cover the rubber band, and the head wrap is ready. So look at it very well. Very easy and simple to achieve. When I say it's easy, yes, I mean it's very simple. So tell me what you think about this beautiful head wrap in the comment section. Hope you like it and hope it helps you to be able to style your own as well. So it's ready. Look at it very well, guys. Look at it at the back. Everywhere is covered. Like I said, if you want to open your hair, you just need to twist that part. You don't need to spread it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.